Get this camera if you want full frame cinematic quality in a compact creator focused package. This is the Sony ZV-E1, a full frame mirrorless camera made especially for content creators and solo shooters. It's best for vloggers, filmmakers and social media creators who want pro level video in a small lightweight body. You get a 12 megapixel full frame sensor, the same one used in Sony's FX3, designed for excellent low light performance and stunning 4K video with shallow depth of field. The real magic, it's an AI powered subject tracking, auto framing, product showcase mode and background defocus button. All designed to make solo shooting easier and more polished. It's lightweight, has a flip out screen, great in-body stabilization and top-notch autofocus. The main drawback, no mechanical shutter, a single card slot, and a 12 megapixel sensor that's more video focused than photo friendly. Get this camera if you want cinematic full frame video, smart creator tools, and a setup that's easy to use on your own. And it's definitely worth considering.